you hear the legend about the bell tower?
What legend?
That if you walk underneath it, you won't graduate on time.
Really? You believe that?
Well, I don't know what to believe, but I'd rather not risk it. I just need to longer than I have to.
It's a total load of garbage. I will walk under this bell tower and I will still graduate in 4 years.
We'll see.
This is so easy.
Shh. Push your chest back.
Welcome, Duncan. I have some bad news for you today, unfortunately.
Okay.
Well, after reviewing your transcript, it seems like you're going to have to stay an extra semester or two to graduate and get everything done.
I don't understand. Things were going so well until... 50 times the charm.
Here you go.
Here you go.